Hey there, fellow web developers. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on some full-stack web dev secrets with a deep dive into front-end frameworks, React, Angular, and Vue.js. Ready? Let's get started. First up, React. React is a powerful JavaScript library maintained by Facebook, designed for building user interfaces. What makes React special is its component-based architecture. Think of components as Lego blocks. Each component is a piece of UI that you can reuse and combine in various ways. This makes your code more modular and easier to maintain. Remember to keep your components small and focused. Follow the single responsibility principle. One component, one function. Next, let's talk about Angular. Angular is a full-fledged framework maintained by Google. It's got everything you need out of the box, from routing to state management. One key principle in Angular is dependency injection, which makes your code more testable and easier to manage. Also, Angular's opinionated structure helps in maintaining consistency across large projects. Pro tip: use Angular CLI to generate components, services, and modules to maintain a clean project structure. Now, onto Vue.js. Vue is the new kid on the block, but has quickly gained popularity because of its simplicity and ease of integration. Vue's core library focuses on the Vue layer only, making it easy to pick up and integrate with other libraries or existing projects. An essential principle in Vue is the reactivity system. Data binding in Vue is a breeze, allowing for a more declarative approach to rendering the UI. Keep an eye on your data flow and watch properties to ensure efficient state management. All right, let's wrap up with some full-stack best practices. First, always keep your back-end and front-end layers separate. This ensures flexibility and better maintainability. Use RESTful APIs or GraphQL for communication between the two. Second, embrace the dry principle. Don't repeat yourself. Reuse code where possible to avoid redundancy. Lastly, always test your code. Unit tests, integration tests, and end-to-end tests are your best friends. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Smart Start tutorials. Until next time, happy coding.